friends, I am Saudis. Welcome to my channel Toop Tap. So today we're going to enjoy with my surprise toy. Friends, do you want to see the surprise gift? So let's start the video. Our fun surprise video. So let's start. Friends, this is my surprise gift. See it? Here is more sets, but we buy just one set. Okay? So let's start. First we have to sit in the floor. Okay, let's sit. And see the surprise gift? We buy just this gift. Friends, let's open this surprise gift. We buy just this number 4 set. So, we have to first say one magic word. What is that? Chi, cha, choo. Let's see. Friends, do you want to know what is the gift? My father gave this gift. So let's say one magic word. Chi, cha, choo. Surprise! Yeah. Here is 4 plants. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here is 4 cars. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4 buses. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's open it. Okay. First, how we open it? Let's see. How we open? How to open? Let's see. Yes. Yeah, we got one plane. Friends, first, what thing we have got? What is this? This is a jet plane. My father come from China with this plane. Ooh. Vroom, 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 vroom. Next, we got a car. Vroom, 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 vroom. Yeah, a car. What is next? It's a red color bus. Vroom, 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 papa, brim, brim, brim. What is next? Oh yeah, I got. Another bus. It is very good. Okay, so it is a bus. Okay, it's a bus. What is next? Yeah, another monster car. Brum, brum, beep, brum, beep, brum, brum, brum. What is next? Let's see. It's a plane. My father gone to China with this plane. Yes. Now another. It's a white monster car. Frick, 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 frick. What is next? Okay, it's a black color bus. Now we have to lift it here. What is next? Yeah, I got it. It's another green. This like plane. Beep beep. What is next? It's a. Oh, we have to first do it. Yeah, we can do. Yes, it is a white color bus. Vroom, 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 vroom. Now what's next? Now two transports. Each another normal car. Yellow color. Vroom, 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 vroom. What is next? Oh, I got it. It's a last one. It's another jet plane. Brrr. So now no one transport left. So we don't need this packet. So so we have a black color bus and a yellow color car and a white color bus, a white color car and a yellow color bus and a plane. Oh, all the phone down. Okay, bus. We plane, a blue plane and a white jet plane and a green blue plane and a green big plane and a blue jet plane and a red bus and a monster and a orange normal car. It's a monster car. It's a red monster car. Okay, it's this. Good. So let's play it. Friends, look at. They are going 4 cars, 4 planes and 4 bus. So, do you want to watch more these funny toy videos? Friends, in next class we play with these planes and cars and bus. So, do you want to play with these planes and cars and bus? So subscribe my channel. Today, tata, bye bye. Yeah.